Yun yung Airbnb namin the other day. Yan, kagabi. Diyan kami nagstay. It was a pleasant stay. Ang ganda ng lugar. Sarap ng weather. Sana maghapon siyang ganito lang, hindi maulan. It's morning pa lang ngayon. Sarap na, pwedeng hindi ako mag-jacket. May mag-jacket ako kasi for sure malamig. Alis na kami in a bit and then we'll go to someplace. Siguro brunch kami somewhere in Inverness. And then we'll go to Castles. Alright, sige, see you later. Abangan nyo. Bye-bye. Dito sa Culloden, merong shop. Interesting. So I bought a book about Scotland na nagtatakal ang buong history ng Scotland. And meron din shop where you can see a lot of merch about Culloden, Scotland. And magko-photo ops lang kami. Makita mo yung scenes or yung mga sceneries dito sa may Culloden. Look at this. Tingnan to. Yung scene na to, eksena na to. Pakita ko sa inyo yung battlefield kung saan nangyari yung War of Culloden, yung battle ng Culloden. Ito yung last stand ng mga Scots before sila totally sumuko or nag-surrender sa mga English. So yan siya. So this was a battlefield before, as in maraming tao namatay, especially sa side ng mga Scots. Kasi hinarang ng mga English yung pathway ng mga Scots na Bonnie Prince. Meron siyang memorial admin museum. Pero dati, di ba? Naging killing field. Ngayon, ang ganda na niya. Okay, so this is a marker, a stone marker where the chief MacGillivray fell. So this is an important marking during that battle. Maraming tao kasi important marker. Punta tayo dun sa monument, yung mga bato-bato na yan. Daming marking. Imagine kung tayo nagbo-Mobile Legends. Ito yung Mobile Legends na dati, totoong tao na deads. Ito yung red, mga English, Jacobites on the other side. So imagine yung mga Jacobites, clan, family 1, family 2, family 3, mga clans nila. Ito yung mga positioning. So nakaposition sila dyan, mga family members to. They're not warriors, they're not soldiers. Imagine loading a gun. The Jacobites took 5 minutes to load a gun noong unang panahon. And yung mga English naman 30 seconds lang. Dami ka ba? Dami yung tao. So yan, they put it up to honor those who fought during that war. Nahirapan ng mga Scots to achieve freedom. Tayo rin Filipino. Nahirapan din tayo to get freedom. At least lumaban sila, di ba? Yan, tapos dito side trip. Ito, mga Highland cows. Yun, mga baka nila dito sa Scotland. Alright, we're leaving the place. And we'll go next siguro Urquhart Castle. Hindi ko alam kung yung din yung Loch Ness. We're going to Urquhart Castle. So if you want to book or have reservations, you can book through Historic Scotland. Yun, website nila. put ko sa link below. So ito yung popular na destination kung saan si Loch Ness Monster. Yan, ito yun. Ito yung entrance. Oh, ito. So si Sir Alan Durward, he built the castle, first castle. Battle of Stirling. Ang ganda ng mga shops nila here. So, may film theater. Mga shirts, there are shirts you can buy. Mga scarves. So just a bit of information. Alam nyo ba na dito sa Scotland na-invento ang golf? Kaya yung landscape ng golf course para siyang kung ano yung landscape ng Scotland. So ito yung I'll go lang here. May small visual museum here. So ito yung mga cannonballs before. Catapult. Yun na yung tsura ng susi nila. Keys, Duchess, the bow, crossbow, deer antlers, yung mga sungay ng deer antlers. So letters dati, ganun siya, messenger. So wala pang cellphone, wala pang email. That's how they send messages through messengers. So kung musician ka naman, ito yung harp. 15th century harp. Game dati. So dati meron silang parang chess. Yan, game piece. Knight's jug. So yung kanyang inuman. Yung sila uminom ng tubig dati, yung jug nila. Sa atin, Coleman sa kanila ganyan. Typical household supply. Yun yung martilyo nila. Pala. So nasira na ibang sides, but this is how their shovel or spade. So ito naman, Bible, they have their own Bible. Message of King. So yan. Secretariat and spiritual guidance. Urquhart Castle, ganito yung itsura niya dati. Before mapan siya sa ruin, ganun siya. So you see yan, yan yung Loch Ness. Welcome to Loch Ness. So kung may tour, ito yung dadaanan ng tour. Meron nga yacht tour So may cafe din kung nagugutom kayo, may cafe, may shops. Pag bumisit kayo, nagbisita kayo, 14 pounds if not mistaken per person. And you need a parking. So you can go there. So that's the old castle. So, ruins of the old castle. So meron dong catapult.
Oh, sorry. I can't take the whole thing.
She was trying to get a picture with you.
Oh, yeah? I know. She was calling me, I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't realize.
So ito yung trebuchet. Parang catapult siya. So bali nangyayari dito, di ba kung napanood yung sa Lord of the Rings or anything na medieval what they call this, movies. So this is the turnkey. So, ikutin nila yan para yung tali bumaba, and that pole will go down, then will aim to which direction they want to attack or point. Yun, trajectory ng bola. So these are the balls. So yun yung bala nito. So mangyayari, bababa siyang ganon, tapos bigla siyang hahagis papunta kung saan direction nila gustong ihagis yung ano. So yun na pa yung tali, oh. That's the same route. Such a lethal weapon back in the day. Yan. Sa Lord of the Rings may mga ganito. Tandaan niyo yan. Ito yung warmest. This is the warmest place. Dito sa coverage ay walang hangin. And, okay. Walang hangin here. So, this is the gates of Orchard. These are the gates. This was destroyed. So this spot right here is where they store their locally produced products. Yeah, so whatever, for example, yung mga corn or any food, crops, dito na niya tinatago. This is where they store those locally produced para hindi magutom yung place. Yan, may silang storage area, which is this spot. May ilaw lang doon. They just put on lights there. Yung mga guard dito sila nagstay. Guard room. Because yun yung gatehouse, then guard room. And yung mga sundalo na dito bantay. Oh! Ito makita? Meron pa talaga ano doon.
Oh, wow.
So kung wala kang chance talagang tumakas, kasi di siya sa guardhouse, ito lang yung pinto, pasukan mo. Ayun, yun lang yung prison. So, diyan ka natatay, ihi and all. Boys and girls, Loch Ness. This is Loch Ness. Ang lamig eh. Imagine kung liligo ka dyan. Wala, ano ka. Ang tawag doon? Hypothermia. So mga nakatabay din. Grand Castle. Masa ka na? Oh shit. What rules, no? Grand Tower. Private chamber. So ito yung they want to spend leisure, music. This is where they do their entertainment. My father did an evil thing, keeping me from marrying you. I love the lad. Sabi ni Mary Grant.
Na-end up siya dun sa Castle Bard.
So we cannot go upstairs kasi for security reasons. Yeah. And then we'll go to the basement. So may area dito nila ginagrind yung grains nila, yung mga gamit. Tapos storage room din to, kagaya na sa kabila.
Ito yung mga water nila na nasa taas.
Storage room din nila.
Mind your head. Love it.
Abangan niyo ako, lalabas yung Loch Ness Monster. So, ito yung Vilma Santos ng lahat ng castle. A castle for all seasons. Medyo swerte kami kasi hindi umuulan. Malamig pero hindi umuulan. Sabi nga ng isang lady, this is a fine weather para so far. Iwasan daw yung winter kasi yun talaga, oo naman. But today is a fine weather. Doon kayo sa Pilipinas, subukan nyo dun. So tapos na kami sa Urquhart Castle and we'll go to Alien Donan. Doon kami next castle. Nag-lunch na rin kami. And healthy lunch.
The bird with the yellow chest is
Alright, go to the next destination. Alien Donan o Alien Donut. Right. Welcome to Castle Alien Donan. It's Alien Donan. It means the island of Donan. Yan, we will find out kung sino si Donan. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig pero maulan. Maambon na. Go inside the castle. So it's another proper castle. Pero bago mag-castle, CR lang muna kami at bibili yung tickets. May bird na kumakato. Oh, there's a bird. Hi, little bird. See you later, buddy. Okay, so may bird. Nagkantahan kami ng bird. Sipol-sipol. Anyway. So may bayad. You need to pay. This entrance. I think the entrance is 11 pounds per person. Momo.
across the bridge where you can swing a broad swing. Okay, shall we?
It's raining. So, another castle. We don't know yet kung anong meron sa castle dito. Sa Alien Donan. And we'll see kung anong what's in store for us dito sa castle na to. So pag nagpunta kayo here, meron gift shop. Parang halos lahat dito may gift shop. And then meron here a food hall din. So yung food hall, so bawal ang backpack, bawal ang food, bawal ang yosi sa loob. Pupunta tayo dun sa main castle. Taking video is okay?
Sorry?
Taking video is okay?
Not inside the castle. no.
Alright, okay.
Not inside the castle.
Thank you. Unfortunately, hindi tayo pwede mag-take ng video inside the castle. Ulan! Grabe. Pero look,
Okay.
maaraw doon tapos ito maulan. There's a duck and a seagull. Yan. So actually may way pa baba. You can climb on the rocks. May daan. You wanna go there. Actually, pagka gusto mo malaman information about, I don't know, meron kayong i-scan here. Sa mga scan na to, yung history for example ng 5 Sisters of Kintail. So scan nyo siya, malalaman nyo kung yung story behind it. If you want to take a look what's behind, diba? Kung ikaw yung nakatira dito sa castle to, ito yung itsura ng iyong view. So we're inside the castle. So it makes me wonder, ano kayang pakiramdam back in the day, no? Kung nakatira ka sa castle. Ano kayang amoy? Imagine wala pang toothbrush nun. Saan sila jumijebs? Okay guys, sorry guys, hindi namin kinasama sa loob. Kaya pala siya Isle of Donan. Kasi si Donan, Bishop Donan, siya yung sasabi na-establish itong settlement na ito. Okay, tapos na ang Alien, ano yun? Alien Donan. So papunta kami ng Sligakan. Lumabas yung plema ko eh. Sligakan. Sa mga tourist spot here. So this is the Sligakan Bridge. So kung pupunta ka dito sa Isle of Skye, isa itong Sligakan Bridge sa mga most popular destination. Is it a tradition or...
Pardon?
Is it a tradition to dip your head in the water?
Yeah, it's a legend.
Oh, it's a legend. So what happens if you dip your water?
The eternal beauty.
Really? I'll tell my wife.
Let's say. Eternal beauty, yeah.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so it's a tradition, it's a belief. So people apparently go here to dip their faces doon sa water because they believe na if they do that, it will some kind of ensure of eternal beauty. Para habang buhay ka rin maganda kung ididip mo yung mukha mo doon sa water. Sana may enjoy nyo yung video ngayon. At it's tiring. Madami kami pinuntahan. Kung nasa land of kings and queens kami the other day sa England, ngayon sa Scotland, this is parang sa land of fairy tale. So we started the day nga kaya doon sa sa Culloden. Interesting siya. Alam mo, aaralin ko yung mga videos at saka mga books about Scotland and England. Napaka-interested ang history nila. Gusto ko siyang aralin. Alam mo yun, para pagbalik namin dito next year or year after. Gusto kong puntahan yung mga lugar na nababanggit doon sa mga books na dito sa Scotland. I mean, ever since talagang mas feel ko na mas Scottish ako than English. Ako lang naman yun. Mabait yung tao. Grabe mabait ng mga tao dito. Yung mga locals. Super mabait. Hindi pa namin totally na-explore yung Edinburgh. Siguro pagbalik namin, explore namin Edinburgh. Tomorrow, another video na papanood nyo, more on nature naman. So, kami. Pupuntahan namin yung Isle of Man. Parang, basta abangan nyo yung video na yun. I think, kung type ng nature, it's a leisure hike. Pero ang challenge dun kasi malamig. Tapos, minsan maulan. Sana tomorrow maganda yung weather. At medyo 45-minute walk paakyat. And then another 30-minute walk papunta naman dun sa fairy tale, sa Fairy of Glen, Hinatay Niman. Basta tomorrow we'll get you there. Para siyang fantasy. Ganun. Para siyang fairyland. Itong Scotland. Alright. Sige. It's almost 8 PM na dito sa Scotland. Sa Philippines, I think mga around 2 or 3 AM. But I hope you like this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel para at least mas masaya, di ba? Please don't forget to share this video to your friends also. And baka pagpunta nyo dito sa Scotland, puntahan nyo rin. Okay, thank you very much and I'll see you on the next video. Salamat. Peace out.